Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club. Let's make some chili. So today I'm starting with some sweet sausage. Many times I just use regular ground beef. I'm throwing in some black pepper. And grabbing some garlic powder. We love garlic powder, so yes, that is a lot, but is it ever too much? I don't think so. I'm going to throw in some Himalayan pink sea salt. Next, I'm just going to put in a few red pepper flakes. I'm going to throw in a handful, maybe 2 handfuls of my dehydrated onions. These smell so good. Once my meat is brown, I take a jar of home canned stewed tomatoes. This has tomatoes, onions, sweet peppers, and celery in it, and I'm just going to let that simmer. Next, I add in 2 small cans of tomato paste. Stirring in the tomato paste, and then I just make a judgment call. If it is too thick, I'm going to add some water, and if it is too thin, I will add some more tomato paste. Next, I'm going to take my jar with chili powder in, and I'm just going to add in probably a couple tablespoons. Now I'm going to open up a couple cans of kidney beans. You can use any kind of beans you want. I often will use kidney beans and also a can of black beans. And I always rinse my beans. Do you rinse your beans? Kidney beans have been rinsed well, and then I'm just going to dump them right into the sauce. Stir those in and let this simmer. My family loves a sweet chili, so I am adding some sugar to it. So let me know in the comments, is your family a hot and spicy chili or a sweet chili? Which do you guys prefer? Now I have moved the chili to simmer on my wood stove for a few hours. This is going to be delicious. And it is finally time to eat. We're having chili and some Italian bread. It tastes delicious. A nice fall meal.